Hi friends, this is Alex with Vanquest. Today I'm going to show you how to get the most out of your TRIDENT-21 backpack. On its own, the TRIDENT-21 is a highly capable bag, and with just a few accessories, you can turn it into the most versatile pack in your arsenal. You can achieve dynamic organization using the Sticky Cube Extra Small on the interior loop lining. This lets you optimize for space or quick accessibility to your gear. Carrying medical gear is becoming more common. The Fat Pack 4x6 makes organizing these potentially life-saving kits efficient and easily accessible while remaining compact and protective. If you plan to attach Molle accessories to the outside of your pack, then Molle sticks are the ideal solution. They make a strong connection between your Molle pouch and backpack while making removal quick and easy. We often find ourselves moving gear between packs and from home to the car. Keeping your accessories in the EDC Slim makes it a breeze. It also provides increased organization and additional protection. The TRIDENT-21 is ready for any adventure, and oftentimes external gear management is necessary. Using the elasto gear locks helps keep hiking poles and tripods in place and secure. Admin organization can be had on the interior loop lining with the sticky panel 2x3 and 2x7. Store cables, tools, and small items for quick access with efficient use of space. On its own, the TRIDENT-21 can handle any situation and is one of our most versatile bags. With just a few upgrades, you too can customize your TRIDENT-21 into the perfect pack. Since 2011, Vanquest has built the toughest bags and packs for everyday carry to help you stay organized and prepared. Check out vanquest.com for more details. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing. Comment below if you have any questions. We'll see you next time.